Hi, in this video we will explore how to create an event in Google Calendar. There are three main ways that you can create an event. The first is to just click once on the date that you want the event to occur, and this pop-up will appear and you can create an event or a reminder. The date is there based on whatever date that you chose, and then you have the option of what calendar do you want to put it on. Because you might have multiple calendars here on the left, Google gives you the option to determine which calendar do you want to put it on. So I'll go ahead and keep this on my main calendar, and maybe it's a 2 o'clock meeting at Rick. And then you can just go ahead and click create, and it pops up right there, 2 o'clock meeting at the Rick. The second way that you can create an event is over here by this red create button. You can do what's called a quick add by clicking on that drop down arrow, and maybe I have a 3 p.m. meeting at Rick on 6/23, and then add. And you'll notice right here it just popped up, 3 p.m. meeting at the Rick. With the quick add, it defaults to your main calendar. So these are both purple because they appear on my main calendar. If I wanted this to be a COP event, then it would have been easier for me to have tapped the calendar. And then the last way that you can create an event is to click this red create. And this way gives you all of the details that you might need when you're creating an event. So you can give it a title. Here you have the date. The default is set to 1 hour. And maybe I have a meeting at 9 o'clock, from 9 to 10. You have the option to make it all day, which means it will display at the top of the box, the calendar. You can repeat it, and you can put in a location. You can give a video call, so maybe the person won't be able to physically be at the meeting, but with Google Calendar, they can join in the meeting with a video call. Here you have the option to determine which calendar you want to put it on. So I want to put this on the COP calendar. You can type a description. You can change the color. And here's where you get to determine what will other people see. Are they going to be able to see that you're available or busy? And what's the visibility? So you have all these different options. And once you're done, you go ahead and click save. And my meeting was added right here, 9 o'clock on the calendar. If you're ever creating something and it's not exactly how you want it to be, you can just tap on it and then you can click edit. So maybe it's not 9 o'clock on the 22nd, it was supposed to be 9 o'clock on the 30th. You can just change the date and click save, and it moves your calendar. It moves the event right there on your calendar. So those are the three ways that you can create an event in Google Calendar.